Hi, in this presentation we are going to learn about the De Morgan's theorems. The simplified expression of De Morgan's law is not A and B will be equal to not A or not B. And the second one, not A or B will be equal to not A and not B. Augustus De Morgan is a British mathematician and logician. He formulated the De Morgan's laws and introduced the term mathematical induction, making its idea a rigorous one. Now let's learn about De Morgan's theorem. The De Morgan's first theorem is that the complement of a product of variables is equal to the sum of the complementary variables. That is, if I have two variables a and b, the complement of two variables is a bar and b bar. Okay. So now according to De Morgan's first theorem, AB bar should be equal to A bar plus B bar, or A and B bar is equal to A bar or B bar. This is the De Morgan's first theorem. So you have an AND gate with a NOT gate which combines as NAND gate. So a two input NAND gate A and B gives me AB bar. Now for the right hand side I have a two input NOR gate and it gives me A bar plus B bar. So the truth table shows the inputs and the outputs. Inputs is A and B. So A and B can take only two combinations of zeros and ones. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and the output is, we have to make sure the LHS of the theorem is equal to the right hand side of the theorem. So output AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So for the first row, AB bar is 0 into 0, 0 bar 1, and A bar plus B bar, 0 bar is 1, B bar is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 1. So likewise, the output is generated for the given input. The second De Morgan's theorem is that the complement of a sum of variables is equal to the product of the complementary variables. That is, a plus b the whole bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. That is, a or b the whole bar is equal to a bar and b bar according to the gates. So applying the De Morgan second theorem to the gates, we have a NOR gate and a negative AND gate. The NOR gate is a two input gate. The negative AND gate is a two input NAND gate. So we have AB as A plus B the whole bar from NOR gate and AB as A bar dot B bar from the NAND gate. So we have the truth table with inputs of two variables A and B, and the output corresponds to the LHS and RHS of the theorem. So AB can take four combinations of zeros and ones, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and accordingly the output is generated for A plus B the whole bar and A bar dot B bar. When a long bar is broken, the operation directly underneath the break changes. De Morgan's law may be thought of in terms of breaking a long bar symbol. The broken bar pieces remain over the individual variables, and here we can see that AB bar is broken as A bar and B bar. A bar or B bar, and A plus B the whole bar is broken as A bar and B bar. Here is an example for the De Morgan's theorem. So apply the De Morgan's theorem to remove the overbar covering both terms from the expression x is equal to c bar plus d the whole bar. To apply De Morgan's theorem to the expression, you can break the overbar covering both terms and change the sign between the terms. This results in x is equal to c bar bar dot d bar. Deleting the double bar, that is when you have two bars, they just get deleted and it becomes x is equal to c dot d bar. Now let's see the Boolean analysis of logical circuits. Combinational logic circuits can be analyzed by writing the expressions for each gate and combining the expressions according to the rules of Boolean algebra. So here we have to apply Boolean algebra to derive an expression for x. Okay. So you have initially a two input NOR gate AB, and the output of NOR gate is connected to a two input AND gate, and this AND gate is connected again to a two input OR gate. So first AB, when it enters the NOR gate, it becomes A or B the whole bar. Then this A or B the whole bar is one input of AND gate and C is another input of the AND gate. So we have it as C dot A or B the whole bar as output of the AND gate, and now the C dot A or B the whole bar is one input of the OR gate and D is another input of OR gate. So OR will give me the output X as C A or B the whole bar or D, that is C into A plus B the whole bar plus D. So applying the De Morgan's theorem on the distribution law, we arrive at an expression for X as C A bar dot B bar plus D, which is equal to A bar B bar C plus D. So over the next presentations, we'll be learning about sum of products, product of sums, Karnaugh map, and a standard hardware description language. Thank you.